Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we will learn how to perform nonlinear regression analysis by Power method in Origin Pro software. This video will help in your research project also. So guys, in statistics, nonlinear regression analysis is a form of regression analysis in which observational data are modeled by a function which is a nonlinear combination of the model and depends on one or more independent variable. Here you can see the dependent variable is shear wave velocity that is plotted in the y-axis, and the independent variable is SPTN that is plotted in the x-axis. Then we will get a correlation between the Vs and n value like this by using the nonlinear regression analysis of the Power model. So let's open Origin Pro. Here you can see we have data, SPTN data in the x-axis and shear wave velocity in the y-axis. So first we will plot this data. So let it plot as a line. So it has been plotted right now. So let's increase the width of it. Like this. And do some changes in the axis. So in x-axis, let's start it from 0, 20 and 100. In y-axis, start its 100 with an increment of 100 and keep it 600. Now we want a correlation. We want a nonlinear regression analysis. So for nonlinear regression analysis, select it and go to the analysis, fitting, and then nonlinear curve fit and go to the open dialog. Now they have asked you which type of regression analysis you want to perform. So category. So in category we will go to the Power because in our data there is a requirement of the Power model. So I am going to use the Power model. You can use any type of the functions. Okay. So let's select the Power, and they have asked a function in Power model. I want allometric 1. So when I select the allometric 1, I can see here, you can see a residual formula sample curve. Okay, so when I click on the formula, I want my relation, the correlation in this form, like y equal to a x to the power b. Means y is the shear wave velocity, x is the SPTN, and we will get the value of the a and b, that is constant. So we will get the relation between the shear wave velocity and SPTN. Okay, so let's fit it. So when I click at the fit, I got the two constant value, you can see a and b, that is going to use in the correlation. Okay, so a equal to 69.5252 and b equal to 0.419585. Okay, so here there is our plot here also. So let's click it. So you can see a thin red line is there. Okay, so let's increase the width of this red line by clicking 2 times and do it at the 2. Okay, so when you click at the black also, you can fill it also, it will look good. So fill it like this. Now it look better. Okay, so this is the line, is the correlation regression line, this red line, and this is our data value, that is the black line. Okay, You can change the color also of the black. You can put it like blue. Okay, let's put blue and increase the transparency something. Okay, but here filling has not changed, so change it here a blue. Now it will okay. Yes, increase something more the red line, thickness of red line. So let's do it 4. Okay, correct. So change it 100, 500, increment to 600. Okay, and change it this also from 0 to 100. X-axis 0, 20 and 100. Okay, you can do changes as per your convenience. Let's delete it. Now, so shear wave velocity you can write here. You can use this key for the subscript. Okay, you can change the font also. Here I am going to select the Times New Roman and the font size is 22. Here also for SPTN. Select it as a Times New Roman. And 22. Okay, now if you want to cover this curve in the box, okay, so for the box go to the grid lines and click on the additional line that is opposite in the opposite and apply it. So you will get a line here, and to cover it like from the top also go to this grid lines, opposite, apply. Okay, so increase some fonts of this line. So go to the Times New Roman here also with 22 digit. Now it looks better. Times New Roman 22. So whatever correlation you have got, no, you write here also. So by using this text tool here, when you click it and click it here, you will get the you can write it here and you place as per your convenience like this. So by using these method you can plot a nonlinear regression analysis by using the power method, and you will get a correlation between the two variables. So we got the Vs equal to 69.525 n to the power 0.419, and you will get R square value also. R square value is also very important. you will get this R square value here. See, R square is 0.99946. So here they will show the number of points that you have used in the analysis, everything. Here they will give the R value also, A and B constant. So hope you understand this method, how to perform the nonlinear regression analysis in the Origin Pro. So thank you very much guys. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you very much.